Yo, another day, another adventure with your homeboy Jermaine, and getting this vlog started off still in Santa Barbara. Got a couple errands to run today. I'm gonna go over to the swap meet here because I used to sell at the swap meet a couple years ago. So I'm gonna go over, see if I can bump heads with anyone I know from back in the day. Then after that, maybe I'll head over to Whole Foods if the timing is right, because they have really good vegan pizza. It's something about the crust that they put the pizza on. It is really good pizza crust. I plan to hit up there. Maybe I can show you guys a little bit of downtown Santa Barbara. Downtown Santa Barbara is pretty big. I won't be able to show it all in one video. Some pieces here, bits and pieces there. That's how I'm gonna show you guys Santa Barbara. But for now, I'm gonna get ready to head over to the swap meet, skate really fast, ride down some hills, ride up some hills, answer some questions, ask some questions, and this is how I'm getting this video started. Alright, quick little pit stop at Chick-fil-A really fast. I thought it would be a good idea to charge the board. Where am I? I am at 71%. That's plenty. I just ordered an order of french fries because I really like the french fries here, and the Polynesian sauce is really good. It's also vegan, so yeah, I can't wait to have some of the french fries, and I get a quick charge right over here. Yippee! There are tons of outlets in this Chick-fil-A. Very convenient, and this Chick-fil-A is like completely dead, but I forgot this is Santa Barbara. Santa Barbara it's a pretty chilled out spot. It's a pretty chilled out place. It's not like LA, definitely not like San Francisco. I was told to check out this market, Santa Barbara Public Market. Let's go do a walkthrough real quick. Oh, it's one of those like food court type places with like a whole bunch of restaurants inside. I've been to a lot of these, but never one here. Such a nice day for the beach. Such a nice day. Check it out. So beautiful. This is probably the nicest place I've been like all year. Like, Santa Barbara is so beautiful, it's hard to explain. I can't believe I lived here 5 years of my life. Paso Nuevo. Of course, all the structures here have the Spanish theme to them. Okay, so there's this side. And then, wow, down here there was a sunglass store. Wow, this brings back memories when I first moved to Santa Barbara. I was walking through the mall, like at the sunglass store over here, and I met this girl, and you know, we exchanged phone numbers. We became really good friends, and she worked over here, and I worked about 2 blocks away, and we would bump heads all the time. And she was like the first like friend I had here in SB in Santa Barbara, and I don't know, this just bringing back memories just walking through here. Right when I moved to California, I would spend a lot of time walking through here. I had a bunch of random jobs when I lived in Santa Barbara, but nothing like the random jobs that I have here in the Bay Area. Alright guys, I got to show off this. The name of this bar is called Elsie's, and I really like this bar. I used to come here not that often when I lived here. Towards me getting ready to move, I definitely was coming to Elsie's more, but I want to show you guys this bar. Look at this. It looks just like someone's living room, right? Like nothing special, right? But let's go take a look at this other room here. This other room, like, it's just like couches, just like someone's living room. There's like pictures on the wall, just like it would be someone's living room. This is the front room, as if this would be someone's living room. I really like these tables, just as if it was someone's living room. And even the rug that doesn't really match any of the colors, just as if it's someone else's living room. I love this place. I miss this place a lot. And pinball machines. I don't think I've ever seen anyone ever playing these, and they're still here. Probably because they light up and they have all these cool colors. Like, look at these. I don't think these are working, but this thing is still here. Like, it's still here. Like, I haven't lived here for 3 years, and that thing is still rocking. I got quarters in my pocket. I would love to play. And then check out this little bad boy here. I think one side of this works, but I could totally be wrong. But check this out. I actually think this one works. This one probably works, or it worked back then. And the artwork on the wall is pretty cool. Some pretty cool artwork. Nothing like Bay Area artwork, because Bay Area artwork is super, yo. It's like extra super, but they got some good stuff down here. I miss SB. And I even have a place to charge the boosted, because I've actually been out riding a little bit. Haven't been filming as much today because I'm trying to make more talking videos. I'm trying to talk to you guys more. So that's what I got going on. So I'm gonna let the boosted board charge up for a little bit. I'm gonna pull out my computer, work on some videos really fast, hang out here for a bit, and then probably go back home. Maybe make some macaroni and cheese, because I have vegan macaroni and cheese that I haven't made, and I haven't exactly eaten today. I did have french fries, but I did not like make a meal in the middle of the day, but I did have a couple snacks, so I'm probably gonna go back and make some macaroni and cheese pretty soon after this. But let's go edit some videos really fast and jump into that Final Cut Pro thing. And that's pretty much what I got going on right now. I'm back out of Elsie's right now, and it is diet cheese time. So this is that macaroni and cheese I was talking about in yesterday's video. This is vegan macaroni and cheese, and I got a little bit on the stove right now, and I can't wait till this is over with. I can't wait to have some of this, because this is really good. I haven't had any vegan mac and cheese in a little bit, so let's break that fast. As of now, just editing some videos, and you guys know I used to live in Santa Barbara, and someone gave me this letter that was mailed to me the 28th of May 2013. So this is about 5 years old. So I'm finally opening this letter up, and you will not believe what is inside this letter. Check this out. Can't get it out now. There are two. It's not coming out. Come on out. This is so funny. I just opened this and I was like, what? There are 2 Starbucks gift cards. There's one here and here's another one. But yeah, someone sent me 2 Starbucks gift cards 5 years ago. I wonder, can I still use these? Anyway, guys, thanks a lot for watching. Stay tuned for tomorrow's video. Who knows what your homeboy Jermaine will be up to? Who knows what your homeboy Jermaine will be into? I might be at Starbucks getting free coffee, but thanks a lot for watching. Peace out, yo.